Guys, welcome to my channel. My name is 𝑂𝑚𝑛𝑒𝑦𝑎'𝑠. This is 𝑂𝑚𝑛𝑒𝑦𝑎'𝑠 Wish. I have some stuff on the table. I have some stuff on the floor. Let's just get to it. This is a haul, obviously. So I'm just gonna start with a She Modern decal that I won. I believe it was Pumpkin's Nail Station that I won these from. And yeah. So you pick out one decal and you can check out. It's a $10 gift card. You get like an extra $2 or whatever. I don't know. So this is the one I picked out. I know I'm so basic, but you can never have too many of these. And this is the extra one that she sent me in green and brown, which I think are awesome. Those will be good, especially these around Halloween. So thank you, She Modern and Pumpkin. Oh, I got these stickers from Michael's. I believe they were less than $1. They were on clearance. They're sturdy, but if you cut, you can almost fit a whole one on your thumb maybe, but you could cut them in half and put one wing on one finger and one on the other. I don't know, I think it was like 89 cents or some shit like that. But yeah, so there's that. And then this has nothing to do with nails, but I had one of these. Oh, I still have it. I got it a couple years ago. Hold on, let me get rid of the crinkles. Okay. So what you do is you just hook this on whatever size you want, and you put it around your faucet. It's great to hold your sponge and shit. It has like 2 compartments. Well, it's supposed to look like it has 2 compartments, but I've had my other one for like 4 years now. I got it from Wish for $1, so I got this one for the bathroom. And yeah, I can put the Mr. Eraser sponge thing in there. I can wipe down the sink. I just think it's really handy because I like that it just self-drains and you can clean it. Like my daughter, she's an artist. She works with, you know, acrylic paint and stuff, so it can get messy, but then I can just wash it and it just becomes clean again. So yeah, that was that thing. That was non-nail related, but I can get you a link for that. This is Aliexpress. Okay, I don't know if you can see it. They're super tiny. What's this book? They're called abusive letters. I mean, trying to find things like this is really hard because they're not going to say, you know, fuck or whatever. And this one says bitch. And they're like in gold and bronze. Kind of hard to see because they're so tiny. I didn't realize they were this tiny. And there's 800 in here for $3. I mean, so now I got, you know, like 800. No, one fell out. It's right over here. Oh, I got little fucks to give. Right there. So I just thought those were cute. And then I didn't realize, I didn't see that they had WTF. I would have gotten that one. And then I got these gold bars things that go across the nail. It was less than $1, I think. But they got a pattern. I don't know if you can see that pattern. Almost looks like a ring. So I got it in gold and silver. And then I got 2 silver and 2 like light gold butterfly things to go in the nail. Those are pretty. Yeah, they definitely packed this because they didn't come, like, it was either you get 2 silver or 2 gold. So they took 2 silver and 2 golds and put it in one envelope. And this, I didn't, like, it was less than $1 or something like that. I think it was like 85 cents. And it's just like winter white decals. There's like deer and snowflakes. I didn't realize they were sending me this many snowflakes, but, you know, hey, I'll take it. And now I have lots of fucks to give. I didn't have any fucks before. I had given up. There was no more fucks to give, but now I got plenty of fucks. This one, oh God, I'm still livid. I mean, it came really, really freaking fast. Really fast. I mean, everything that I have bought, I have ordered since I placed my order at Nail Couture. And I still haven't, today's July 4th. And I placed my order May 2nd. And I still haven't gotten the shipping thing. So anyways, alright. So I got these, just 2 of these little clip things to hold your nail on for when I have to do one of his nails. This is the thing they were missing. I had ordered some magnetic fingers. It just looks like a finger, and you could put it like on this thing. It would just stick to that. But it had a little slot like in the cuticle area where you could put a nail down, so you could only work on one finger at a time, which I thought was cool. And I got this from the store that Cammie had bought a big one of these. This is the same size as the one that I have. Ugh. You know, so I contacted them and told them because my fingers were out of stock. They sent me the wrong one, so they gave me a store credit. So then I'll go back and I'll buy the other one that's like this big, because these things I tend to knock over easy. And then I just got a little resin palette. And this one's actually silica gel, whatever the hell that is. But it's semi-transparent because I can see the dots through it. So there's that. Hold on. Okay, and the other place was I got, these were two something each. Oils. I thought they were designer, but they weren't. If they're designer, you can't see them. So I do have some designer ones coming on the way. I don't know what I ordered because you can't really tell. Yeah, so I like these ones because they look like different prints, like newspaper and stuff. I always get so scared to open these. Oh, shit. What the hell? That doesn't even say anything. Well, it doesn't say anything in English. It might say something in a different language. But they're unique and for 2 something, and it comes in a box. Because you could get it with the box or in that packet that folds. I hate those. When they're in the box, they stay in the box. This one has... This one has butterflies and flowers. All different kinds. Ooh, look at that pretty flower. So there's all different kinds. If you want a link, I'll link it down below just in case anybody's interested. Let's take a peek at another one. This one just looks like flowers. Oh, flowers and butterfly. That's pretty. That's pretty. And it seems to be going like in almost a rainbow kind of thing. Oh, that's pretty. I'm gonna just peep one more. Just because I'm interested in looking at this one. Doing it the wrong way. Different butterflies. So you could just like cut out the butterfly, actually, the ones that you want to use. And then transfer it. I wonder what would happen if you just like stuck it on. And that was it. You know, you didn't sit there and try to rub and get the image. Like just cut out the butterfly and stuck it on the nail. And then top coated it. I wonder if that would work. I got these snake ones. These are selling for $12.99 stateside. But these shops are shipping really quick. Like really quick. 2-3 weeks tops. There's all different kinds. There's even like almost a rainbow one. Different, I shouldn't say snake prints, but reptile prints. This one's really cool looking. So there's a little something for there. I think this is where I thought it was designer. But it's not designer. Like if you look at this, you would think that was designer from a distance. And if you can't see like me. Where the hell's the beginning? Where's the beginning? Okay. Oh, that's really light. So you can see where I kind of made the mistake in this, thinking they were designer. Because that's what I was searching for, was designer. But, come on. So it seems like they all have like this little light lacy pattern. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, there you can see it. And then they got some silver hollow ones, more black, gold, white, like a nude. This beigey one, and another nude in the same pattern that's right here. So there's that. And then there is, let me get this open. Okay, this is from Panda Dips. I'll leave the link below. I like Panda Dips. I like their jars. Everything comes well packaged, and I really appreciate the invoice. I like when companies give you an invoice so you can cross-check and make sure all your stuff is there. So this one's called Bright Star. Look at that sparkle. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. And I like these jars because I can actually go in this way. The skinny jars, they just make me a little nervous. I think I have a fear of just sticking my finger in something. I'm not sure. And this one is called Diamonds. Let's give it a shake. These are 1/4 ounce jars, and they fill it pretty damn good right to the first ring. So you're getting all that. And that, see, it's kind of like hollowy and sparkly. So that will be pretty. The prices are really good too. This is just like a matte color. It's called Avocado. Well, no, there's some shimmer in it. Actually, I lied. How would I know? And that's kind of the color. And that's pretty. And then I got Shake a Teal Feather. Girly Nail 66. I got this one a long time ago. I saw her get this one. Look at how gorgeous that is. And it's coming off a bit darker than it actually is. It's a little bit more green. There's green and blue in there, but what you're seeing more is the blue, I think. I just really like their jars, and their prices are so freaking reasonable. I mean, hello. $5.50. And then if you buy like 5, they have like a deal if you buy 5. And then I used Marla's discount code. So the price is $5.50. They're 1/4 ounce jars. And I got a discount of $4.95. Yeah, so this is a good deal. It's a good deal, and the jars are awesome. Right Hand Woman. It's kind of like a, not lilac, more of a lavender. And it's got that pearlescent sheen to it. And this one, I think, was part of, this one and Bright Star, the white and this one, were part of the, like their 4th of July, because they put together some things like that they think that will go together for that month, and then each week they have, so you just kind of like tap it, bring all that foil to the top. It's so pretty. I used the other one I had that had the foils. It was gorgeous, gorgeous. And this stuff is really nice. I mean, if you like dip powder, you'll like that company. And then I just got this. Oh, what's this? Thank you. You made our day. I hope we made yours, for supporting a small business. Their Facebook group. This is Virgo N Gem. Yeah, they got a YouTube. Okay, cool. Oh, and they got the directions. That's always handy. The invoice, which I love. So I'm hearing a lot of people say that they like their liquids, and I'm still not like a big fan of liquids. They just make me nervous. I can't tell you why they do. Yeah, I can. It's glue. It's fucking glue. And somebody had commented on one of the videos I did. I think it was the eye gel when I was swatching that shit. I say shit just as in general. I'm not just calling it their stuff shit. So anybody who's an eye gel fan, calm your tits. I like eye gel too. I wouldn't have spent so much damn money if I didn't like it. What the hell am I talking about? Oh, I forgot. Anyways, they say it's thin, but it doesn't run. And because, somebody had commented saying that you got to be careful with maybe the ones from China. I don't know, because the stuff that could be in this can go through the nail and eat through the nail, so that like really freaks me out. Because I guess it's good to know warning, ingredients. Okay, so there's they got the ingredients on there. So I can Google what the ingredients are. But I heard these are really good, that they don't run, but they're thin. They're not like a really super thick one. And you can either get a kit that just has, you know, the base, top, and activator. And I got this one and it came with you picked out a color. It's a very pretty container. Another 1/4 ounce. This one's called Ballet, number 25. Nicely sealed. Very good, very good. Small businesses are killing it. They're killing it. So it's a nice light pink. That'd be good for like a French, or if you just not in the mood for a whole bunch of color. Throw that away now. So yeah, and then I used Marla Chris's discount code. Let's see, how much was that? The single starter kit. Oh, it doesn't say. Yeah, and I bought, because I'm not stupid. I know I'm gonna freaking wreck a brush. At some point, I'm gonna wreck a brush. So I got some base coat replacement brushes and some top coat replacement brushes. Yeah, there's no price on here. But I think this was like $4, $4 or $5. Either way, I'll link it down below. My next one is going to be my Sparkle & Co. I placed an order and I have my month. Is it June? June's box bag thing. So I'll show you that in the next video. So that's it for this one, guys. I hope everybody has a wonderful day. They're staying safe. I hope after this goes up, it'll be after 4th of July. And I hope everybody had a safe, fun, happy 4th of July. And yeah. So that's it. I'll leave links down below. Or if I forget, just ask me for a link. So have a good day, guys. Bye. Remember, like, subscribe to all YouTube. Big crap. Bye.